Ghana for Divu Akasa from Prophet Uche, Kelvin Soa, Roger, NFA Ojaba, Omuna Meki, Omo reactions to Ghana footballer. Yebu na ebusia meno kasi enyama ajisim ajigon etwa bom fucking masa eka bano nya de ketwa I hate too much mesero subscribe page ni mi adama na sama me send me upload bi anso na unsa ebeti maka now ebusia from the beginning of our matches I any Panama share no na Ghana phone come modi ni say Ghanaians were not playing to the standard ball na ye born it looks like say enya boy a person ye born and na ye ball. So we were doing something else. I say all our play was like we were just defending. I was like a be near Bono. Or moon shape near Yen Shomubi. Now for you who are the masters of the game. Back over it looks I say a defense quite not able. And I'm no Cassie any Colombia for here. Now we shall boy Ghana for boy now. I can't think far. Me to cram here. Me to me that the whole night because of this match. Now lewe so engineer. Abedi communal we come away ni say Ghana Blasters for ya brofo no me ya before na no bia na ye omo na omo ye omo because boy anyhow any mesifa kwa no they had opportunities that they could do something better for Mother Ghana but they chose to go that way and I say ball no omo said that pa no mambo ni because omo ton ball na Colombia for
awupe ye pekati first one more shot on target second half was one more shot on target 90 minutes roughly 7 at so pressure one mono ya say ball na press na Jimmy hu bi ja team we hunti na mako damiti attack to atali 10 million ya peba so bla bla wo no why baba wo mi tiro fa wo bonu ku mi tiro cheso ni bi ku masa wo fa wo ni nyina wo Jimmy say mako damiti wo bonu bi ka wo mo hwe ni nyina wo bonu nyina ka wo hwe ni nyina wo show money in a city here. You're going to I am cry. I am Uncle Sincere cry. I am Uncle, why? Black in them. Black. I know. Stand. Stand. Criminal. Stand. Oh, yeah, Dave. You wake out. Megalo. Salango. Ojinem.
Mintimina. Abofo. Mintimina. Hey. Eti blasters. And the bomb boy pa sebi. Timo dwene ho. Selection mu ye pa nti enene ye. Ana maton match no. Man negotiate Colombia ana majisika na ebe fie on matwa mo ba mo fa me chefa mame I swear cause man to ene ba mbo yi imagine se na boy anka England ko mbe she 10 day ene obi amohwe ana minim se Blasters na say Jordan and the Jordan Bush of I was say, oh, Blasters. Minim Jordan, I will be a goodness Ghana for company over Ghana, any part 90% company. When I got at least almost second half, and now the first half no one film. Minim Chese, Yentimi, and can't Yenya Jordan Sem. Yentimi can't Jordan Sem. Pay a beer ball, what the mow now send about Kumunua. I feel almost any beam. And Samoana Jordan Abedi, our shell blaster, who's our shares room, etino, ye. And I said, Omuna blasters, yomudia me. Meaning, Sir Jordan Suna, Jordan top blasters, and me who because Mentiasi. Kwana bomb boy me who be that sebi team kwaba local teams organ ha omuni dimpo enmo sabo reda abafafo enmo sanse hu bo reda sebi me say enkwankwa my school phone get man sense school phone kura akwa enmo san kwa sebo reda I never knew ana mbesa mchise Colombia for atichire Blasta o ma chire monan na mamu o ma chire monan because I don't know. Hey, e sere ngamo yas mo boy ya dika kana fa ebedi wachi kamedi achire Emsa Blasta Jordan ato Emsa papa abedi wato wonto so aye ne dia match o ma bunyina this match fucking match wishless match ne maton mani munyam ama Colombia ngaji sikano mon family fie ye fa maboa o mu ansuo ase o munyam na afa o mo ade hye wu no sai sika mo je m family o mo hwe adafo ujibe Ghana Blasters obi anye wo mo o mu nkasa ene ya bayifo Blasters frankasa ene ya abonsamfo Blasters o mu nkasa ene yo mo o mu hwe emu obi ankasa bi panyini bi ana obi ana ma Blasters nkunanim o mu a eti boa mabo from Panama Abo England, Croatia, and the Bombay, Bombay, Munfan can play. Yes, I better obey him. Mummy can play boy and boy. Yes, I better womb. Et where's the last album much way? Who could see? I feel a wake up, I ever wake up. It's where I bo. Now, at your home, be better at your home. Both fetch on us against. Now go. Where wo guys manum ho bese manum se manum honu se mese madaji ebo kan hasas ebo kadi akire hwe saka empo mo bobo ni ye bo de senwa ake beta ene bo no obi amohwe all the players wo obi amohwe all the players wo obi amohwe oh, si ena buta, ye boji matem. Ene bambo pa nyansa be ni wom. Ene bambo ye. Bo we pa nyansa be no bo we. Hey, we see here. So also boa e bo no amu ahwenye ye. Si na mese obokwa bochire na ohu nyansa ankwa passport obetra ga na ewu. Waso bodo ho. Ene bambo pa nyansa be ni wom. Eche onom enyenye boy na obo pate sa Jonathan away Benjamin Sale keeper on the minimum Ghana just for winning this match Masha and I at the first keeper or say Matizida Obi on another battery am the channel Mommy pa bragu my bokagu Hasses a bokagu. Ya cheskagu. Ya said that the prayer bokagu. Hasses a bokagu. Ya iska bokagu. Over 100 billion. Ya bokagu. Uban kwa sabo say. Where bo and a boy bo. And obi amabo. Wo bia mabo hey nanka we aka ampaseka me for se pasi do pase me twambema na san kwa sabo we ni mo twambema nanka papa se me se me twambema na san kwa sabo we nanka me twambema hey me anwana no Enwano miso so condition mama wati no mada ana mo fe ebenya na mise me so ade ya se mba ako mada come on na kameda so ne ya da she enke no ye mada kwajo ade ya se bo na siga ya se ba ako wei Medada. People need Jimmy Conwa. See, hey, me bo. It se Ghana. Se Onyankopon kasa kire oman no. Na se yedi agura eye. Enti sebi atizigi first keeper. Fine, no problem. Ana woda na ade we good, we best. Ana wakoda nchen, we pira kwa nchen. Ana Benjamin Sele. Nyankopon ama na beda. Ana wode Ghana elko nanim. How can you change Benjamin Sele? Say atigi first keeper also babeda. Sa kwanche bi ye adwuma ma mo nsen mo mani pa pray too much. What I say? And then obi atimi nkasa we first keeper. Ana we pray kwanche. Ana second keeper aba. Aba the lucky aba. Ama tiri ye ku yanim. How can you change How can you change? Mumma Yakupon pray too much. Mumma Yakupon promise Ghana. Mumma pray too much. What I say? Oh, did you woman? I can't say, Mamma atiziki medansa. Mumma Benjamin said, Emian yen or not raining ye. Oh, near fan with a 16, no, but that no problem. What I say? We see Yankupo Elwin Boba. When you mean when Boba. Now I quite hard. As much to Ghana, yesu. Ya baby, dear mamma, and Yaja. Mummy, wait. I believe Nyankopon. I believe. Sir, he's not angry. God, we beg, forgive us and give us second chance. Give us second chance. Minimbe man to suni betwa. Se me kam fa serious bag betwa. We mu.
Enne amene okasi Ghana for ne Colombia for Asia ye na akense ni season no ne Ghana for enim se Nyankopon a oyo o madom last time no say nyame kona be san yo madom ende because you say senior tie no ano sa no tie ende ene da ba ebusia ene de e ka ba no amafo buefu fuck to the extent say omo chese omo twen Jordan Ayew ewo airport no do on one the way beti fa Ghana gongoli no me
the manager does well. Manager I'm what I suffer what put to support I see a put out the one I see what I'm trying to install now so just how was your interview now really Ghana what? It's about
everything being equal no Yakoba match no and kono send a person get kono because Oshe ball Ghana for boy na bon say Lewin so ma top ball na ma Colombia for so man top ball no so dia ne Black Stars for no me ya be for ni abe ponsan for because ball no boy any dey ye hu ball no so ye nti ball na say from the beginning of the match na ye Ghana for na kasa no na ye gidie wo Black Stars mo no ne e wo form ya ne e wo form butie enkom sha so for ne be say ye anyhow later enkom sha ne be ye ya that means ye ne Panama cry winning ye cramp no it was a surprise to many. Yeni England football draw no, it was too surprise to many. Now for Yeni Croatia for Koshia na almost say 2-1 there. It was a bit okay because then him say Black Stars could not really do well at least ya qualify. Ye ni but Usha born a boy na kasana. Ya bought to your standard. That is what Ghanaians are saying and people are very worried.
My impression is we find a way to qualify our group stage which may from this coach.
We find a way to qualify.
Oh, they have found a way. They have not played any fantastic football. They have found a way. 3 matches we are behind. Statistics against England. I want to be so shocked.
Against England,
I want to be so shocked about some Ghanaians. When you celebrate mediocrity out of 0-0 against England. Who bombed dog? What do you want to tell me? Who game a boy against Croatia? So no statistics in England could tell. Who shot on target way? Even when that game you claim say who BM way? It's still defending coach now, a defensive defending coach.
Coach Carlos Cruz, what disappointed Ghana for Papa? Cruz, also your politics. Now, Jordan, are you send your penny winner? Now, minim say Black Stars, no more for 20-something players. That's a team near 11 players media. I in the moment mind the Koboka per diem, FA players be more. Jordan, for nothing at all. If Obiam Praukra will be Pra, next 4 years, you have a World Cup, Obiam, nature will just cast you out. See Ronaldo Portugal team near Diano. I am a Yini Pie. Best midfielder in the Premier League, Bruno, a Yini Pie. Jordan, Obao Brand, you, Safa Pie. Ali do see you at this point. Won't team control ball at the biggest stage in the World Cup. Ali do team control ball. It's normal. Huh? Now, many of them say it's high time say African teams are not serious. Your politics, no, the mentality, you whack. Colombia boy say one. Me say we can push this game to an extra time. Typical individual mistakes, politics. Nadia Befi, Jordan, are you? Now Thomas Patebo, Jordan Ibon. Jordan, Unsia Patebo and Ibi. When you put in a penny for and Thomas Pate, I'm praying say you come out of this rape case because Sabola Hobono, a rape case in a house. Tell me to be Bofia or Bon. Thomas Pate, and a lot of the players are exposed big time. Jordan, Coach Carlos Cruz, the way we loved you, now you need to prove to us in a different tournament. And yes, Rebecca say a lack. Benjamin Asari, Ghana Faber Dom, just put Benjamin Asari in the post. Yes, nobody will complain because Ghana love Benjamin Asari. They say Carlos Cruz, what about your problem? No, Jordan, so Obrano Grano Zoko. Now I am here. I will not talk much. Ghana politics, partisan politics and football politics, good Black Stars. And the player wanted to control continent.
When the echoes on social media, the amount for AD Yaoyipa, number one, AD for numbers and common. And Africans, players now, or more packing. So, I'm going to first of all, coach in there because coach, a new coach in at least. I'm on the benefit of the doubt. Bank of former Bomudin, Benjamin Asari, and Africans, Thomas Partey. How much as someone on with me, Emma Ghana, a shiny, but it was means also a comment. Just comment on the comment section. New house 5 years in a free demo. Such can I put in the near domain, so I'm sending me a program so that unsa everything.